Welcome back to the ServiceNow ITOM course. In the last video, we covered the basics of ITOM, its framework, objective, and core modules. In this video, I will explore how ITOM supports business alignment, not just from a technical angle, but how it enables organization to operate more efficiently, reduce risk, and deliver better services. We will break this down into four main areas: ITOM features, functions, operations, and the challenges ITOM helps resolve. So let's begin. ITOM features. Centralized visibility. One of the standout features of ITOM is its ability to provide a single real-time view of infrastructure, services, and dependencies. This helps businesses track the performance and health of services, critical and operations. Automation tools. ITOM includes powerful automation tools for remediation, provisioning, scaling, and event handling. These features reduce manual intervention and improve operational efficiency. Then cloud readiness. Modern business run on hybrid and cloud infrastructure. ITOM supports seamless cloud discovery, provisioning, and resource tracking, ensuring business have flexibility and control. Then integration capabilities. ITOM is designed to integrate easily with the ServiceNow modules and the third-party monitoring tools. This makes it easier for business units to align operations with outcomes and deliver measurable values. Then ITOM functions, monitoring and detection. ITOM continuously monitors the health and performance of infrastructure, providing early detection of issue before they affect the business. And asset and service discovery, it automatically discovers devices, application and services across environments, maintaining an accurate CMDB that's essential for business continuity. Then dependency mapping. ITOM maps services to underlying infrastructure components, helping business understand the impact of changes, outages, or incidents. Then alert correlation and reduction. Instead of overwhelming teams with alerts, ITOM intelligently filters and correlates events, surfacing only the issues that require action. Then ITOM operations. Proactive remediation. With automation and intelligent alerting, ITOM helps team fixes issues before they escalate. This means better uptime and less business disruptions. Then data-driven decisions. ITOM provides actionable insights and metrics. Business and IT leaders can use data for planning, resource optimization, and improving service quality. Then scalable management. Whether you are managing a small data center or a global cloud infrastructure, ITOM scales to meet operational needs without complexity. Then real-time sync with CMDB. Operation stays aligned with the real-time changes in infrastructure thanks to Discover and Service Mapping, keeping the CMDB current. Then challenges managed by ITOM. Many organizations use multiple tools for monitoring, discovery, and automation. ITOM consolidates these functions into a single platform, reducing cost and complexity. And lack of visibility. Without proper monitoring, it's difficult to know what's running in your environment. ITOM solves that with discovery, service mapping, and event management. Then slow incident response. Manual workflows slow down incident resolution. ITOM automates remediation and enable faster and more efficient operations. Then inconsistent consistent data. Disconnected data sources lead to inaccurate decisions. ITOM ensures real-time, unified data through CMDB and integrated workflows, improving business confidence. So that's how ServiceNow ITOMs helps bridge the gap between IT operations and business outcomes with centralized visibility, intelligent automation, and actionable insight. ITOM ensures that IT is not just reactive but strategic and aligned with business goals. In the next video, we will shift focus to one of the most critical foundation of ITOM, the Configuration Management Database or CMDB. We will explore its fundamental advantages, key capabilities, and the main CI classes that driven service accuracy and decision making in the platform. Thanks for joining, and I will see you in the next session. Thank you.